Have you been thinking of a high proteinous meal to give your children in the morning? This right here is no sugar, creamy pancake, high protein pancake you can give your children. So let's get into it. You need your pancake flour, and then I added egg and chia seeds, which are high in good fat and protein. I also put almond flakes, and also we added our milk. So you see the combination of all these, they are all high in protein. The egg, the milk, the nuts, the seeds, they are all high in protein, in fiber, and in good fat. So this is already setting the base. You don't need sugar with this recipe. You don't need any other junks in this recipe. If your children like too sweet things, you can use one banana in this recipe. But trust me, without banana, without any sugar, without any sweetener, your children will enjoy this. In fact, my son came asking for more of this pancake. So with your milk, egg, almond flakes, your seeds, they are all going to come out really tasty without any sweetener. So get that already. Now, whip it properly until it's fluffy, and then get your high vitamin plant-based cooking butter. And then you melt it and you pour in your butter into it. This will give it that soft, creamy finish. A little will go a long way, so please don't overuse your cooking medium, okay? And also set your temperature of your cooker into medium to low heat so that your pancake can come out really well and not burnt. You can see. So then you turn around the second part and allow it also on low heat to become, soft and fluffy. Now, after all is done, you can bring it out and enjoy with your favorite beverage, and spread if you like. Also, a more protein based spread, you can use it for your children, or if they like jam, they can use jam as their spread. So this is it. It came out really good, nice and tasty, and the children loved and enjoyed it even without any sugar. So you can actually make a high protein pancake which will be creamy and fluffy, tasty, with well rich taste without any sugar. Now let's dive into the breakfast for adults. For me and my husband, I used the beetroot tortilla wrap, and with egg, with cherry tomato and salad mix, and some cheese. Spraying your oil, little oil can go a long way. Then pour in your already spiced up egg. You can spice it up with your favorite spices, and then pour it. Don't allow it to cook before you lay in your beetroot tortilla wrap. Lay it nicely on top of it and allow it cook into your beetroot wrap, okay? So that it forms like a second layer on top of it. So after putting in your beetroot wrap, make sure that you are cooking on medium heat, okay? And allow it to match together nicely. Then also rub in some egg on the surface of the other part, so it makes it more fluffy and easy to wrap properly, okay? So now when the first side is well done, you can flip it over and then begin to layer all the other things you want to add, like your salad leaves, your cheese, your cherry tomato, and any other thing you want to add. Then you can add, if you like something a little bit spicy, you can put in your spicy dressing also at that point. If you like mayonnaise, or you can use it also to mix up your leaves and your carrot and every other thing you want to add into the wrap. And when you have added everything you want to add, just roll it up and boom, it is ready. And this is exactly how we enjoy it, with tea, You can serve it with fruit. You can serve it with some soup. You know, this is a cold season, and enjoy. Thank you for watching till this point. Please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, and see you in my next video.
Like, comment, and subscribe.